Hello, welcome back to my second vlog. First of all, let me start by apologising for the lack of project videos over the past couple of weeks. I've changed my job again, so I'm back to part-time bus driving again. I did the same job for 14 years, then got made redundant, and I've had 3 jobs since then, but we'll see how that pans out. But the main reason for this video is my wall of Fantastic-ness. Been swapping stickers with a load of other creators, and I wanted to start a wall of stickers, wall of Fantastic-ness. So let's get into it. So first of all, before I get stuck into the wall of Fantastic, I'd like to thank Virgo, I hope I pronounced that right mate, for the t-shirt. I won it just after Christmas. If you want to check Greg's channel out, he's just doing a camper van build at the minute, really impressive. His sketchup videos are awesome, taught me a hell of a lot. I'm a bit, thick, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check his channel out. So the first sticker I got from my wall of Fantastic is Big Boys DIY. Just some tool reviews. Just done a double bird feeder, which I thought was quite impressive, so I'll leave a link in the description for him. And here's his sticker. The next one I got was James's Man Cave. He does some cracking tool reviews, a few little builds, really interesting channel. I'll leave a link in the description for him. And then we've got Tales from the Tinkerage. I love that workshop. I think it's great the way he's got everything organised. I've mentioned him in a video before. I know he's been a bit poorly of late, so he hasn't been putting as much content out, but he could do with a bit of love if you want to go and subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. The next one I got was Philip Cannon Woodworking. He does some cracking lathe turning work. He's just been doing some work with aluminium as well. He goes really in depth and gives you some good hits and tips. So again, I'll look in the description for a link. So the last sticker I got was Bowerscraft woodturning. I think he's new to YouTube. I've only watched one of his videos, I'll be honest. But he could be an upcoming star. I think he does pens and things like that. So well worth a look. So that's it for the stickers I've got so far. I think there's some more coming, which I'll do in the next vlog. If anybody wants one of my stickers, or you do a swap, or you just want one of mine, or you just want to send me one, let me know, and we'll get it up on the wall of Fantastic-ness. I figure Al's Hack Shack's got the wall of awesome, Top Gear's got the cool wall, I'll have the wall of Fantastic-ness. As for me, I want to start taking YouTube a bit more seriously now. I'm going to put a bit more effort in, so there will be a project video, fingers crossed, every week now from now on. I think I've got my life back in order. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out their channels, show them a bit of love. I think we could all do a bit of love on YouTube at the minute, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.